For the Minecraft cell project, I did an animal cell. And right here, the red brick around the cell is the cell membrane. And the cell membrane controls which substances passes into the cell. And I put these little guys for border control, as border control does the same thing and for borders to countries. Now we're going to go into the cell, and we're going to be going to the nucleus. And I put as the nucleus to see, because the nucleus controls the cell's activities, and DC kind of does that with money and law and stuff. So here's it, because it holds lots of information and books about everything. So now we're going, as you see, the glowing pathway is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and the railroad is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now we're going to ride the rough endoplasmic reticulum to the lysosomes, and the lysosomes break down food particles and worn out cell parts. And I built this as a recycling center because the recycling center kind of does the same thing. So here's it breaking down worn out cell parts, and here's it breaking down food particles as compost bins. Now we're going to be going to the Golgi apparatus. And the Golgi apparatus, it packages and distributes material from the endoplasmic reticulum. So here is it. And then the boxes, and the blue and red boxes are the materials from the endoplasmic reticulum being ready to be packaged. Now we're going to be going to the ribosomes, and the ribosomes produce proteins needed by the cell. So here's the ribosomes, and for the ribosomes, I put this as a kitchen or a restaurant, and here's where you can eat, and then outside is stuff, food being planted. That's for the ribosomes. Now we're going to go to vacuole, and for the vacuole, I put a water tower because the vacuole holds water and other substances. So here's the vacuole and overview. Now we're going to be going to the mitochondrion, and I put this as an electricity company because the mitochondrion converts energy and food to energy by cells. So here's it from the energy to the food, and it travels all the way to the energy to go out to different cells, and these are like different parts. Now we're going to go to the cytoplasm. And the cytoplasm kind of signals to different cells, and I put this as power lines.